topic, videos, traffic, and now you've got a schedule. Now let's put it all together and generate some serious traffic. I'll show you the secret starting now. Right now I am offering a free YouTube checklist, so if you want to get your channel started right, or if you want to whip your channel into shape, check the link below. It's free. All you have to do is enter your email, and for a limited time I'm going to offer an extra bonus training mini-series for people who sub. On with your video. Alright guys, so you have made it to part 5. Today I am going to reveal some of the secrets to creating a successful YouTube channel in 2019. So this is going to involve all the good stuff that everybody wants to know, how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to get all that good shit. But I need you guys to understand that it's not just about this. If you don't follow the previous 4 steps, your YouTube channel is more than likely going to fail. So if you don't know what's involved in the last 4 steps, it's basically building your YouTube channel for success. If you don't build that foundation, you'll fail. Simple as that. Check the playlist, check below. If you want a quick hack to getting ahead in YouTube, check my course. It's cheap, but it provides a lot of value. Anyway, so we're going to talk about what is basically traffic generation on your YouTube videos in 2019 for a successful YouTube channel. The idea is that if you followed the previous 4 steps, you've built a game plan to create content that is networked on YouTube, which in turn will create views. The idea is that you keep on those previous 4 steps until you begin getting views, until people start coming to your channel and subscribing organically. When that happens, you can begin branching out. What you do, it's much like a tree. You create little sprouts here and there, little growths. So say you have a channel, as following my previous example, about LED bulbs. You can go, okay, well, I can do reviews on lamps. I can do reviews on different lighting setups. I can do reviews on this. I can do a couple of tutorials here and there. I can show someone how to screw in a light bulb. Surprise, it only takes one hand. I can show people how to screw in a light bulb with their feet. You know, you can go crazy. These are going to be the videos that support the pillars of your channel. They will bring traffic to your content over time. This is what will make your YouTube channel explode, basically, rather than just a little whimper and a bang, you know what I'm saying. What you're doing is you're creating content, you're branching out just gradually a little bit. You don't want to go from LED bulbs to 2019 Dodge Chargers. There's no connection. You need a small connection between this and that. Once you have those things and you start branching out, you will find that people may react negatively to your content. They may react positively, hopefully. And then you can keep branching out, develop an audience, broaden your audience from a laser targeted focus, a little wider, a little wider, a little wider, a little wider, until eventually you're starting to develop a more generalized audience that is still interested in your content. Taking a step back, if you look at Felix or PewDiePie, you will see he started out with meme videos, went to gameplay, went to vlogs, went to meme review with Elon Musk, for God's sakes. That's a feat in and of itself. But every successful YouTube channel either started with a laser targeted focus and broadened out, or they happen to have a viral hack, which I show how to exploit in my YouTube course, but I'm not going to release here, not right now, that allowed them to gain a big base of viewers and subscribers overnight. With you guys, because I don't think everybody's an overnight sensation, I don't think anybody is an overnight sensation, and I don't think anyone should hedge a bet on an overnight sensation unless you're very smart and very creative, which I can show how to do. I don't want you to take that bet on that viral content. You're setting yourself up for failure. I want you to focus on creating valuable content. Again, go watch the video linked in one of the cards about my philosophy on how you should create content and why you should create it versus creating content for what you, if you want to be successful on YouTube. So enough ranting. This has been the 5-part mini-series on my YouTube channel creation 2019. If you are really serious about making some serious money on YouTube, or if you want to develop a channel and develop a social following, or if you run a business and you want to develop a channel so you can get more traffic, create a connection with your customers, check out the description below. I'm going to link my course, and for a limited time it's going to have either a trial or a very reduced price for people watching this video, kind of as a little reward because you've made it through parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want you to just take a look, figure out if this is for you, and go for it. This is Aaron with Retail to Riches, and I hope I can help you make yourself rich with YouTube. Check it out.